How to autoplay video on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section. And from there, click on settings. And here you want to scroll down to the media and contacts section, and from there click on autoplay video. Then scroll down to the autoplay section, from which you will be able to turn on and enable the autoplay feature by either selecting if you want the videos to be autoplayed on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you want them to be autoplayed on Wi-Fi only. Choose whatever option that suits you the best, and by doing this, the autoplay videos will be activated. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on and enable the video autoplay on the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.